Some news is coming in. The Enforcement Directorate is seeking the extension of custody of Manish Sisodia. Sisodia's counsel says ED must justify the extension of custody. Why do they need it? Sisodia changed the phone the day complaint was sent to CBI, is what the ED has said. Show proceeds of crime and my involvement is what the counsel of Manish Sisodia has said in court. Anisha Mathur is getting us more details. Tampering of evidence is what the ED is looking at right now, is what it appears from their statement in court. Anisha, what more can you tell us?
Well, Sneha, the debate in the court today has been with the ED saying that they have more evidence coming in. In fact, they've cited that an excise department official, Alok Srivastav, has in fact given certain statements to the Enforcement Directorate regarding the change in the liquor policy and the profit margins, and the ED is saying that they need to confront Mr. Manish Sisodia with those statements as well as the statements by a former excise official and other department officials. Now, what is interesting in this entire argument is that the ED is saying we are looking at how the policy was changed, what kind of benefits were given, but Sisodia's lawyers are saying that that aspect of investigation is the job of the CBI and not of the Enforcement Directorate, that the ED, instead of looking at the proceeds of the crime or what has happened with the money, is actually trying to investigate the main allegation of change in the policy itself. And that has been the argument from Sisodia's lawyers, that there is no reason to justify further custody of the Enforcement Directorate. We are waiting for Special CBI Judge M.K. Nagpal to pronounce his verdict for now. The ED, of course, has asked for 7 days further custody. They've mentioned the fact that the cell phone of Manish Sisodia was changed on the day that the news reports regarding the complaint sent by the LG on the liquor policy to the CBI had come out. So the ED is alleging that this was done deliberately to destroy evidence. On the other side, of course, as you just mentioned, Sisodia's lawyers arguing that this is not the job of the ED. The ED needs to find a money trail, find where the money has come from, where it has gone, and how Mr. Sisodia is connected to it. And that is something that Sisodia's lawyers have argued that the ED has not done so far. Of course, the ED has asked for 7 days further custody. We will find out very shortly what the order from the court is going to be.
Thanking you for the moment, Anisha Mathur, with the very latest on that story.